Let's look at what happened this week in the stock market. Roll the intro. I don't have an intro. Okay. We're going to look at UWMC, AMC, Nokia, and GME. Let's start with UWMC. What a disappointment. The stock was hyped up last week and this week with the possible news of inclusion in the Russell indexes. Being included in those indexes would have raised the price. There's also a bunch of call options expiring on Friday. A lot of people, maybe you included, bought $10 calls. The momentum was looking at one point that it will hit that $10 and you'd be in the money. But it didn't. Neither will it be included in the Russell indexes. Now, why is that? The CEO of the company owns 90% of the shares. Why are you listing yourself into the stock market if you're holding 90% of the shares? If you want to be like IKEA or Lego, that's fine. Those owners own all the shares and they're not listed. The reason is that they own all the shares. Don't list yourself into the stock market if you own so much. Now, will it go up next week? I don't know. It went up 50 cents this week. I'm hoping that next week it'll go up about 10%. I have no DDs about why it would go up 10%. I only have my faith. AMC. AMC had a bumpy ride from Monday opening to Friday's close. Still went up a bit. Good job. Now we're getting closer and closer to that $14 limit. And hopefully next week, we will breach that and stay above 14. We went above 14 a couple of times last week, but it's just going to stay there. It tried hard, but no. Am I expecting to be 14 next week? Yes, I am. Between $14 and $15. The theaters are opening and the general consensus of the company is fairly good. Nokia, the company of my fatherland. The thing that every Finn loves. I don't love it anymore. I lost so much. This company is trading sideways. It's not going up or it's not going down. It's like something on a Friday morning after heavy drinking on Thursdays. Now, is it a buy for next week? No. Is it a buy for the future? Maybe. Maybe we can hit €4. Now keep in mind, I'm looking at the euro charts because I don't really care what Nokia is doing in dollars. So maybe, not next week, maybe the next month, next 2 months, Nokia will hit €4. They've been making some great deals and I believe in you, Nokia. I believe in you. GameStop. Ooh. My deepest condolences to the people who bought GameStop on Monday. Down $77 per share by Friday. Is the hype dying? I don't know. There still seems to be a lot of hype behind the stock and people like the stock. But is it a good investment right now? Well, it's risky for sure. Will it stay above $200 next week? I don't see that happening. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't see that happening. I think we're going to be hitting 170 next week. But I could be wrong, and I hope I'm wrong. I hope it goes to 350, 400. It's a risky move to buy GameStop right now. And best of luck to those who do. That's it for this week. Now remember, If you buy anything because of what I've said, you're an idiot. This is not financial advice, like it says on my channel name. If you decide to gamble your house on GameStop, AMC, Nokia, or UWMC, that's on you. That's on you. It's not on me. Okay? Now, see you next week. Remember, every Thursday there's a video explaining some small, simple thing about investing. Cheers. Goodbye.